Welcome to my home lab. In this new video I want to create a Spring Boot app on a remote server and I want to use IntelliJ. We start the video by opening the command line, do SSH to our Fedora server. The IP address is 192.168.129.9. Password. I do ls all. And you see a couple of directories from previous videos. We go cd programming. Again, ls all. And you see we have Git projects, Java, Node.js and Python. All the directories from previous videos. I'm going to create a new directory now, mkdir, Spring Boot. Go inside it. And do ls all. As you can see, the directory is empty. Now we're going to open IntelliJ and create a project in Spring Boot directory. I open IntelliJ. You can see we have 2025.2, the latest version. We have here a couple of projects from previous videos, but now we do a remote development. So we're going to create a project on our Windows PC, but the code is on the Linux server. We open SSH. See? Connect to host and create a new connection. See? It's empty. I have no connections, not yet. Go to the plus sign, add the host. So 192.168.129.9. The username, password. See, authentication type, password. You can select that. Key pair, but for now use password. The password. See here, config file is ssh config. Test connection. You can also do save password. If you want, you can select it, but for now I'll leave it out. We're going to have now and then a password. Test connection. Connection to remote host. Fingerprint. OK. You see, select successfully connected to our Fedora server. OK. OK. Now I can select the connection. You see the username and the host is automatically OK. Check connection and continue. OK. Fingerprint again. OK. You have to prepare some things. And we have a connection now. The next step is to create project. We do open project. You see here the version from IntelliJ. If you open that, you have a couple of options, but we use IntelliJ IDEA and we select the project directory. You remember, I created one, programming, Spring Boot. OK. See, home, my username, programming, Spring Boot. Download IDE and connect. Selected. It's going to take some time because we have to download some things to the server. Password. Authenticate. And you see, she prepared to download a couple of things to the remote host. See it here. You see 2-3%. I speed up the video and I come back when everything is finished. Download and the installation is complete. Accept the terms and continue. Before we create a new project, I want to go look to our server. I open a new command to SSH to our Fedora server again, password. I do ls all. We have here a directory config. Look inside it. That's all. Sorry. And you see we have a new directory, JetBrains. You can go look inside it. That's again. And we have IntelliJ 2025.2. It's newly installed. Back. That's again. We go inside programming. Yes. Spring Boot. Yes. And you see we have a directory IDEA. Inside it. Yes. And as you can see, we have a couple of files installed by IntelliJ. Now we're going to open IntelliJ again and create a new Spring Boot project. We open IntelliJ again. See, it's opening. We go again to SSH remote development. Authenticate. Okay. Password. Authenticate. And we are connected. We go to the directory programming Spring Boot. Okay. Start IDE and connect. Okay, fingerprint. Authenticate. Passport again. Okay, starting. Reboot. Only take a minute because everything is downloaded already. Create new project. New project. Spring Boot. You see, we are at the remote server. Spring Boot. Demo. The location is okay. Create Git repository. Yes. Java. Okay. We do Maven. Here we give my name. Package name, it's okay. Artifact, also okay. We select the JDK version. You see on the server I have only IntelliJ 21, but I want to use 24. So we download it. See, 24. Select, yes. Downloading Oracle 24. Java 24. Jar, it's okay. Next, we need Spring Boot 4 snapshot. Okay, and we only need web, Spring Web, because we create a sample project. Create this window, that's okay. And voila, it's okay. I open the project, see, Spring Boot demo, source, main, Java. We have here the main class. We have resources, application properties, and the POM XML. Everything looks okay. We can remove the help and start creating our first controller. We create a new package, controller. Okay. Inside the controller, create a class. Controller. Okay. Do we want on head? Yes, add. To give it an annotation REST controller. Okay. We create a first method, public, string, hello. We give it an annotation get mapping. With the root. And we return text hello world. Okay. Everything looks okay. So we can run it now. Run Spring Boot. Et voilà. Tomcat started on port 8080. Now we can go to our browser, browse to the Fedora server, and look if we can open port 8080. We are back to our browser, open new tab, give the IP address from the Fedora server. So 192.168.129.9, port 8080. But as you can see, we have a problem. It's not opening. We wait a bit, but we're gonna have an error. See, the site is not available. The problem is our Fedora server has firewall and port 8080 is not open. So we open terminal, do SSH to our Fedora server, give the password, and we open the firewall with the following command, copy it, sudo firewall command list ports. enter password because we use sudo. And you see we have no answer. No ports are open. We can also do the same, but in O. And you see cockpit is open. DHCP client open. Samba SSH is open, but ports, no ports are open. So we need to open port 8080. Copy the command. Sudo firewall command add port 8080 TCP. Enter. See, success. And if we want the port to open for always, we make it permanent. Enter. Again, success. Now we go back to our browser and you see we have our answer. You see, Hello World is working. We are at the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up. Thank you very much and see you later.